So in this video tutorial, I will teach you how to turn off Twitter sensitive content settings. So first step, let's go to the Twitter app and press our profile icon in the top left corner of our screen. And after that, just tap profile and press edit profile. And all we need to do for this is change your birth date. So press birth date. So for example, when it's changed, let's just continue this. So let's click continue. Now the second thing we'll do is we'll actually turn that filter off, but you cannot do it in the app itself. You have to go into a web browser. So let's go into web browser, Safari, Google Chrome, it doesn't matter. So let's go into the Twitter app, and all you need here is to log in your Twitter account, but just stay on the web version, don't go to the app. Make sure you logged in with a Twitter account in the web version. So all we have to do here is press the profile icon on the top left and tap the settings and support. So here, let's tap settings and privacy. So after that, we will see this privacy and safety. So let's tap that and tap content you see. So we will see here the display media that may contain sensitive content. So we can turn it off, just uncheck it. So if they check, it means the sensitive content is on. So if you want to turn off the sensitive content, just uncheck it. So take note guys. Only in the web version we can see these settings like this, and it is not in the app version. So that's all for our tutorial in this video. I hope it helped you guys. Thank you. Bye.